Hi everyone, welcome to chandu.org. In this short video tutorial, I am going to explain to you how to create a birthday reminder workbook in Excel. What this workbook can do is, it can highlight all the upcoming birthdays, as well as it will show a short hyperlink that says send email. And when you click on that link, it will automatically open your email application, whether it's Lotus Notes or Microsoft Outlook or whatever you're using, and compose a message for you that goes something like, hi XYZ, many happy returns of the day, and it will also populate the email address of the party. So you can use this application, Excel workbook, to create an email message and send a birthday wish automatically. So let us go ahead and build something like this. In order to build the birthday reminder Excel workbook, we need a couple of things. The first thing that we need is what will be the mail subject in case if we choose to send the email. So we will put the subject of the mail in the cell C1. Let us say many happy returns of the day. This is the message of our subject, our email, and then the body of the message itself. Okay, we will just write the body in a few minutes, and then finally your name, the name of you. In this case I will put this as Chandu, that's my name, and I'll just adjust the column width. And of course we need to have a list of all the people and their corresponding birthdays as well as email addresses. So name, sorry for that, name, birthday, email address. Okay, and then I will use this cell, this column here, to show the mail link. This is where we will load the email link whenever their birthday is happening. Okay, so we'll put some dummy names: John, James, Jamie, Josh, Jenny, Jacob. Okay, and let us say today is October 26th. So just to test whether this thing is working or not, I will use 26/10/2010. I think this format is not recognized. Yeah, that format is recognized, and it so happens that all these people have birthdays in the next 7 days. Okay, so today's date is October 26th. So by default, if everything is all working all right, we should see a mail link here against John. Just to tidy up this, I will apply some borders so it looks neat, and we will put some dummy email addresses. Okay, since I'm too lazy to even come up with dummy email addresses, I will just use a simple formula like this: mail.com. Okay, and then we'll just fill up this thing all the way. Okay, finally what we need is, we need to show a hyperlink whenever the birthday is today. So here there are three interesting formulas that we will be using. We will use the Microsoft Excel's if formula to check whether this date here is matching with today's date. So if formula will be used to check whether C7 is equal to today, and in order to get the today's date, we will use a formula called today. So the formulas that we are going to use are if today, and the third formula is called as hyperlink. Now this is an interesting formula just to show how hyperlink works. Hyperlink, link location. So you can use http chandu.org and then a friendly name, let us say cool Excel site, and a hyperlink will be created with the title cool Excel site, and when you click on it, the website will be opened in the default browser. Now, as some of you may already know, you can use different protocol. HTTP is what we use for websites, so we can use a similar protocol called as mail to. This is how it works, mail to, and you can put any address, let us say abc@mail.com, and just by putting that itself is enough. So send mail. Okay, a link will be created saying send mail. When you click on that, your mail application will be open here. You can see that Outlook has opened with abc@mail.com in the to area. Let us just close this and modify this a bit. mail@abc.com, question mark, subject equal to, subject is hello, and tab out, and then when you click you will see the subject field is populated with hello. Now similarly you can fill up the body field as well, hello, and then additional parameters. This is just a simple HTTP URL format where the first argument is given after question mark and the other things are given after ampersand. So nothing fancy, you just need to remember this. Body is how are you doing, and let me just click this again. Now you see that the address is populated hello, and then this thing is populated. So this is exactly what we are going to do. What we will do is we will put the address of John here in the to, and then subject will be whatever we said here, and the body message will be whatever the message that you have specified in the cells C3, but we will make the body message a bit more fun. So let us get started. The way we are going to use is, if C7 is equal to today, okay, if the birthday happens to be today, then we want a hyperlink for the location mail to ampersand, and this address ampersand is used to concatenate various text values in Excel. Okay, and question mark, subject is equal to ampersand, many happy returns of the day, that is C2. Since the subject is a static reference, I'm just going to use the $C$2 ampersand. Within this we will have one more ampersand, and then say body equal to, and then body will be whatever is in the cell C3. Okay, for the time being we'll just leave it there, but we will modify this formula a bit more once we see that it is working already. And if it is false, we just don't want anything. We'll also want to have a friendly name for the hyperlink, so send email wishes. Okay, send wishes else. So since John's birthday happens to be today, we get a link that says send wishes. Let me just copy the formula and then fill it for the other cells. Since none of the others' birthdays are today, you don't see this. For example, if I edit this and set Josh's birthday as well as 26, you will see one more link saying send wishes. So if I click on that link, you will see that we got a mail for josh@mail.com, many happy returns of the day. Okay, don't save, and let us come back here, and I think it's important that we write a message. So hi dollar, and we want the dollar to be replaced by the actual name of the person, in case John, in this case John or Josh, and then use Alt Enter to create a new line. How are you doing? I think this is even unnecessary. I wish you a very happy birthday. Okay, then hugs @ wherever the at the rate symbol is there, we want to have my name displayed. Okay, so this is a pretty dynamic, fun. I'm just adjusting column width so we don't see, and then row height. So that's the message, and what we want to do is, we wanted to have both the subject and body to be free filled. So instead of C3, I want to replace both my name and the party's name in this C3. So I will use the formula substitute C3 with wherever there is dollar, replace it with B7, the party's name, and then we will wrap this whole substitute in one more, and here the next time we will use, once that replacement is done, I want to replace the @ symbol with my name. My name is in the cell C4. Okay, I make it absolute, and for the time being we'll just leave it there. Okay, send wishes. Now as you can see, the subject message has come and both the name John and Chandu has come, but the thing is it is all crushed into one line. So there is an important little nugget that you need to learn. That is, whenever there is a new line here, the mail will not accept new lines. It will accept a character called this %0a. Okay, so the new line has to be replaced by this character. Now how do we do that? So we will just put the %0a here, and what I'm going to do is substitute C3. New line is character 10 in Excel. Okay, so this is the actual message that we need to use. So then every time I click that, it is activating this cell. So then I select this cell and move it to this one. Okay, so the reference is actually changed to D3 instead of C3, and now when I click here, I got a nice little message that is beautifully formatted. It says, "Hi John, I wish you a very happy birthday. Hugs, Chandu." So when you hit the send button, the mail will go to john@mail.com. I don't know whether it's John's birthday or not, and I don't know whether this is a valid email address, so I don't want to send any wishes to him. But this is how it works. It opens in your default mail account and you can send it. It doesn't use any macros or any other advanced magical fun stuff in Excel, but it just works as a birthday reminder. So you can even use conditional formatting to highlight the particular row that matches today's date, or you can change the logic so that the link appears 1 day or 1 week before the actual birthday, so you can plan for some better things. What I have done is I have beautified the whole thing and made it a little more usable and put it as a template here. You can download it from chandu.org. The URL will be something like this: http://chandu.org/2010/1026 birthday reminder template. Okay, so that's the URL. Go ahead there, go to there and download the template for your use. I hope you have enjoyed this short Excel tutorial on how to create a birthday reminder worksheet in Excel. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye bye.